The second method is SAS, which means side angle side. You know two sides and the angle between them. Important, the angle must be between the two sides. Right? Now let's solve exercise 5 in your worksheet. Prepare your ruler, protractor and compass. Part 1. Draw triangle DFG such that DF equal 4 cm and angle FDG equal 90 degrees, يعني right, and DG equal 6 cm. So because we have two different sides and one angle, we start with the longest side, which is DG equals 6 cm. So draw DG using the ruler equals 6 cm. DG. Now place one side of the set square on the line DG with the right angle touching point D. Then draw a line from D upwards. Then using the ruler, measure DF equal 4 cm. Mark at point 4 cm and from point F, draw a line to point G. And our triangle is ready. Part 3. Construct triangle TMR such that angle MTR equal 55 and TR equal TM equals 5 cm. That means when we have two equal sides, that this triangle is isosceles triangle. In order to draw this isosceles triangle, first we use the ruler to draw side of length 5 cm. T R. Now we put the protractor on point T and mark the angle of measure 55. Now we connect it with point T using the ruler. Now we put the ruler on this side to measure 5 cm TM and then join M with R. Now your turn. Try alone to solve part 4. Construct triangle MNO such that OM equals 6 cm and the angle MON equals 69 degrees. I'm waiting for your answers. The third method is ASA, meaning angle side angle. You know two angles and the side between them. Let's solve together exercise 6. Bring your ruler and protractor. I will solve only part 2 and 3, so please try to solve the others alone at home. Construct triangle KLM such that LM equal 8 cm, angle KLM equal 30 degree, and KML equal 60 degree. We start drawing the side LM equal 8 cm using the ruler. We name it LM. Then using the protractor on L we mark the angle 30 degrees and connect it with L using the ruler. Now we move the protractor to point M and mark the angle 60 degrees. Mark it. Now we connect it with point M. The two sides meet at point K. And finally we are done. Now part 3. Construct triangle FCB such that FB equal 5 cm and the two angles are equal 50 degrees. We start drawing the side FB equal 5 cm using the ruler. FB. Then we put the protractor on F and measure the angle 50 degrees and then connect it to point F. Now move the protractor to point B and mark the angle 50 degrees also because it's isosceles triangle, two equal angles, and connect it to point B. The two sides now intersect at point C. Yes. And finally we are done. Now it's your turn to solve part 1. Construct triangle TRA such that TR equals 6 cm, RTA equal 50 and angle ART equal 40. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Excellent work for today. You practiced drawing triangles. Goodbye my students and see you next time.